Y'all, I have a new challenge for you. The rules are simple. Here's a button. You just have to keep your finger on the button. But this button will move. Of course, the higher the level, the difficult it gets. There are 4 difficulty levels. Very few people have cleared it to the end. Are you ready? Level 1. Level 2. Like this video if it was easy. Level 3. Subscribe my channel if you succeeded. Level 4. Wow! You made it to the end. Congratulations. Oh. Did you take finger off the button? If you did, then you have to re-watch this video and challenge. Don't forget like and subscribe and tell me your results in the comments.